Hello, in today's short tutorial I will show you how to edit font color in Wix. So let's get started. When you are your editor on your Wix website, you will go here to your site design. When you click site design, here you will have your color and text themes. When you click that on customize, you will get your colors and your text. When you click colors, you will can edit the colors that you want for your themes, and you can edit your text. You can choose everything that you want, heading, heading 2, everything that you like these paragraphs. In that way, you can customize your text in your themes and the colors in your themes. If you wanna do it for each one for each other, you just click on them and select them by each one, and you can edit their color and text by selecting them one by one. If you want to change everything, you just click here and you go to customize and your text like we showed before. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this short little tutorial how to edit font color in Wix. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. If you need something, just ask in the comments or visit our channel down below. We have tutorial for many things that you need. And I hope you have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye!